Good morning. Cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. I just had a little tidbit to give y'all with what to do with your leftovers. I had a ham bone left from a honey baked ham, and so this morning I thought I'm gonna do something with that ham instead of making pintos because I didn't have any. I also had leftover corn, just yellow corn. So what I did is I put the ham bone in the pot, and I added about a can of chicken stock. And then I added about 2 cans of water. I let that simmer with about 2 tablespoons of black pepper. I didn't add salt because the ham's salty already. And then I took the spoon and pushed the ham off of the leftover ham off of the bone. Excuse me, but I left the bone in. And then I added the corn back to it, and I also added a can of cream corn. I'm going to do like a corn chowder with this. So, and I also added 2 cloves of garlic minced and 1 small sweet onion. I'm going to add to this stock right now just a little bit of potato flakes. Potato flakes is a great thing to keep around even if you don't make instant potatoes because, Lord, my thing's unbuttoned. Hold on. Anyway, because it works real well for a thickener with spaghetti sauce, soups, that kind of thing. You can put a little bit of potato flakes in it, and it'll thicken your broth or your sauce real nicely. So I added probably about 1/4 cup or so, just sprinkled it in there, and I'm going to stir that in. I added a little bit of red pepper to this, and I'm getting ready to put some whole milk with it. If you have half and half, that would be great. I'm going to put about 1 cup to 2 cups of whole milk in there, and then I'm going to let that simmer and thicken, and that's what we'll be having today on this cold day. Let's see. And when I serve it, I will serve it with maybe some corn chips over the top and some sharp cheddar cheese. So there you have it. Corn chowder is a great way to use what you got left over in your fridge from Thanksgiving. So cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. Make it a great day.